Make sure to pull the yarn to the front of your work. Lift the strand of yarn between your stitches and place it on your non-working needle. Insert your needle from back to front through this new loop you just created. Wrap the yarn around your needle, pull it through the loop, and drop the new stitch. Make sure the yarn is to the front of your work. Lift up the yarn between the stitches. Put your needle back to front through this new loop. Wrap your yarn, pull the loop through the stitch, and drop it. Purl make 1 is another way to do an increase when you're purling. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and how-tos, and check out my website at queenbee.com for more free knitting patterns.